Hi guys, just a quick video to show you what kind of battery you can find on eBay. This is called Replace A1321. This Lion polymer battery should fit on a MacBook Pro 15-inch from 2011. Now this one is gonna be 2009 2010. It has a short cable. Okay, the one from 2011 is a little bit longer, so this one wouldn't fit on a different laptop. I mean, different MacBook. So what I wanted to show you is just to have magic smoke from this battery. For no reason, I just hooked it up to one board that was going to fix, and I start seeing, you know, magic smoke coming from here actually. So there's something wrong inside. First of all, what really impressed me in the beginning, once I put my hand on this battery, is that half of the battery, most of the half of the battery is actually empty. Now you can push it here and you can see there's nothing, you can feel that there's nothing underneath. So let's take it apart. Oh my gosh. Here it is. You can see how shitty, handmade. Fuck's sake. Make me puke. Anyway, let's have a look. Oh, what's nice. My sweet MOSFET just burned out. Look at this. Would you really put in your MacBook something like this that will maybe explode in so many ways that can even imagine? Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is one of the worst Chinese attempt to produce a battery. Oh my gosh. Anyway, look at this. The name is actually Patona. Fuck's sake, Patona. That's horrible. Okay, if you go on eBay looking for a battery and find something like this, please don't buy it. This is gonna be dangerous for your health, your computer. Let's say, oh my gosh, this written in Germany somewhere. I can't believe. I can't believe. Anyway, guys, never ever buy something like this for your PC, even if it costs €30, $30 or whatever. Don't buy it. Bye. Cheers.